So I'm going to be mounting this fuse holder, which I've had for a very long time. I will be showing all the tools required and supplies, which is something to hook this to, like this, the fuse set. I'll try and put a link in the description if possible. Here's my generator project. You'll need bolt cutters, kitchen torch for heat shrink, pliers, impact driver or drill, screws, the crimper. I'll try and put a link in the description, lugs, and some electrical tape. And I probably didn't include a couple other things, but I'll show them. First thing I want to do is mount the fuse holder. So I'll take my impact driver here, put this here. So now that is done, I can trim this cable to length using some bolt cutters. So now we will strip these. So we're going to strip it using a razor blade. Be careful when using these sharp objects because you can cut yourself. Past experiences have not been good. While it's currently being stripped, here is your crimper. This one, I set it to the 4 mark. So the 4 up here is 4, but basically you pull this out or push it in, whichever, push it in, and then you can turn each one. It will not turn together, just so you know. But what I will have to do is apply some heat shrink. Make sure you do this before, otherwise you'll never apply it. So now I have my lug on. I'll open my crimper. Heat shrink's good on that one. If you would like to comment on this project and suggest some more things that I can do with this, please join my Discord server where you can suggest stuff. Also, please support me on Patreon because you can also get an exclusive role on my Discord server, which gives access to some cool channels like exclusive suggestions, exclusive Patreon chat. Well, I think it's just exclusive chat, but there's a bunch of stuff like exclusive behind the scenes. There are good benefits. So I didn't get in the best spot, but I got in a spot where it would hold it together well. So I'd say that's good. We'll have to wait for this one to cool down. It's time to apply the covers. At least that cover. So right here, there's a little nut. I had to loosen it for purposes. And also I put like a little locking nut on it. So make sure it's tight. So now we'll have to retighten this other one. The crescent will not fit it. We'll have this electrical tape for insulating the ends. Again, suggestions on my Discord server. And please tell me what I should do with this next. I'm thinking of using it for a phone charger, although I will appreciate other suggestions. We are still working out some technical difficulties, but I'm not going to take this apart. Again, suggestions on my Discord server. So please tell me what I should do with this. I think this will have to conclude it for today's video on how to crimp a lug and install a fuse holder. Bye!
So if I'm going to be starting from here.
Starting the engine. Choke.
I didn't put it on.
Yeah, it backfired a lot. And also, this seems to be a sentient being because it walks on its own. I have a Discord server. Link is in the description. Please subscribe.